Okay, let's get mission 16 started here. Here we go. I've already filled in a little bit of information, but we need some new names. We need a new co-pilot, and we need a new tail gunner. And truth be told, I can't think of any good co-pilot or tail gunner names, so we'll just have to come up with a couple here. I went with Chaka. I don't know if you know Chaka, but that's okay, for the co-pilot. And Nicolas Cage, because he seems crazy in a good way. For the tail gunner, he just seemed like that crazy kind of tail gunner guy. So that's what I've done, and let's go ahead and get on with this. Here we are. Red and blue dice. I'm going to go ahead and pick the target city. Again, it'll be red first. 14. We're going to go to Malte. M-E-A-L-T-E. And we're going to bomb an aircraft. Targets there. And where are we in position? To some 6. We're going to be in the middle. That's a good position. Where are we? High or low? We're in the middle. That's good for us. -1. And let's look at the gazetteer for Mont. Oh, this is close. -2 and over water, and 0 France. So that's going to be quick. Hopefully we make that. Just because it's short doesn't mean you won't get chewed up, as we have demonstrated. And everything is good. Our board is set up here. We've got fire extinguishers. Everybody's turned over and ready to go. Let's hit the road. Well, let's go ahead and where is that? It's got to be pretty close. Zone 3 in France. Yeah, right there. Okay, so Zone 1, no German attacks. Zone 2, here we go. Let's talk about air coverage. Zone 2 out is poor coverage. Zone 3 out is great coverage, or good coverage. Zone 3 back is good coverage. And Zone 2 back is poor coverage. What's wrong with Zone 2? I don't know today. Alright, in any case, we're up and out. And our first roll here in Zone 2 is for attack. We have a -2 because we're over the water there, and a -1 because of our positions. Total -3. Roll 6-sided die. 1 -3, it's into the none, so we get no attacks. We proceed. That's happy news. We are over the target zone now. 0 modifier there, -1 modifier. Rolling on the different table, a 5. 5 -1 is a 4. So we get 2 attacks coming in at us. These are sequence dice, red and blue. You're going to get a 26. And red and blue. Again, wow, 26, I didn't expect that. Okay, now the last thing that I want to talk about real quick is weather. We didn't talk about weather over there. We should have done that. It probably won't make any difference. But there is a sequence to these things. So weather over the target. Summation dice. 9 is good weather. That will be important. No changes to the number of attacks. Okay. Now, 26 is, if you look at it, it says here on the chart, no attackers. So that one's done, that one's done. Now we talk about flak. So far so good. Let's hope we don't have any flak blow up in our airplanes. That's usually catastrophic. How much flak over the target? And I do want to look up Malt. There is a flak. we're looking for modifier, but not for that one. Okay. Well, oh, 6. We got heavy flag. Here goes nothing. And this is a sum die. 9 to 9. Hit. Just what I didn't want to see. Okay, let's talk about the sum dice here. 7. We got hit 1 shell. And where did it get hit? Sum dice. 9. In the waist CP5. Here we are. We got hit with the flag in P5. And a 9, 63. And a 9 is a ball turret. Here we go. 3. Gunner's heater out. Okay. So ball turret heater out. Alright, we have been hit by flak. We have good weather over the target. Now it says when you get hit by flak, couple little modifiers here. Bombardier's 11th mission, and it is. So we get a +1. But was hit by flak, so we get subtract 1. And no other modifiers there. So it's a straight roll. Blue dice. 5. Which means we're on target. Bombing accuracy. Summation dice. 7. 40%. We bombed the crap out of those aircraft. Alright, not too bad for a good little run here so far. And now, we turn it around. Now we have a decision to make. The heater is out. We're going to consult the rules because I don't look at the heater out very often. And it says, the B-17 normally operates 20,000 feet, etc., etc. Thereafter, let's see. When any crewman suit or heat compartment is out, the B-17 may travel one more zone at the current altitude and in formation. Thereafter, the B-17 must either descend to 10,000 feet for the warmth, no frostbite, the B-17 is out of formation, or stay in formation at current altitude and roll for frostbite per zone for each affected crewman. 1 to 3 frostbite for that crewman, 4 to 6 no frostbite. Once crewman is frostbitten, he remains so for the rest of the mission. He can hit attacking fighters only to 6, and after landing 1 or 2 serious injury may not fly again. 3 to 4 recovers may fly, and 5 to 6 3 to 6 recovers may fly again. Okay, so there's the decision. It has to be made, and it is my game decision that turning around and going back counts as that zone. So we're going to go ahead and fly that zone. Sorry, I didn't turn that over. Okay. Our ball turret gunner is Dr. Strangelove. He has 3 kills to his name. Don't really want him out, but at the same time, my job is to bring the entire crew home, not just Doc Strangelove. So I'll have to think about that shortly. We are over the target zone. We have a -1 on our roll because we're in middle position. Let's see how bad it looks. -1 on the style roll. Got a 5 -1 is a 4. That will be 2 attacking waves. Red, blue, these are sequence dice. 35. Red, blue. 22. Let's take a look at 35. 35 is 2 ME-109, 190s. 2 ME-190s at 12 level and 130 high. We happen to have good fighter coverage here, so we're going to go ahead and deal with fighter coverage right now. Fighter coverage is right here. Single die. 6. So take away 3 of them. That means these 2 will go home. We've successfully dealt with 55. Now, October 22 is a different game. We have an ME-110 at 12 low. So he's way down here. And at 1030 low. He's way down here. We do have still good coverage. We are on the subsequent wave. Single die, 5. We get to get rid of 2. That'll take care of these guys. Now what I don't know, and this is something I have to think about. We're now moving into the next zone. Here's what I know. Out of formation is plus 1 ME on 1 ME 109, so I know that that would be a problem. And less than 10,000 feet would be flak over land, but I'm not over land, I'm over water, so that wouldn't hurt my feelings. What I don't know is if air cover happens even if you're out of formation. It might. Let me take it. I'm trying to find that out. Let's talk about air cover. It doesn't say. So my presumption is that you've got your radios working, and you're flying low. The other planes probably know you're there, and they know why you're flying low, and so they might direct in. But on the other hand, maybe they don't. I don't know. So since it's new to this point, obviously it's in my best interest that fighter cover would be available. It's in the game's best interest. Well, that it's right, but I really don't know. I don't know. So I don't know how defensive stuff is vectored, so I have to make a decision. I think we're going to roll dice and let the dice make the decision. And the dice are going to say on a 1, 2, or 3 that air cover is not available, and 4, 5, or 6 that it is. And we'll know that going in because these pilots have had lots of experience. They would know what the likelihood of coverage is. 1, 2, 3 is no, 4, 5, or 6 yes. No, there will not be air cover available. Do I want to roll a single die for frostbite on the ball turret gunner versus possibly another 109 at 12 level? This could get a lot of people killed, including the entire mission, or it could just lose my ball turret gunner. The odds of losing the entire mission are pretty slim, although it could happen. It would depend on everything. Well, the middle formation no longer counts. It's just a straight roll if I get out of formation, or I take a frostbite chance. So I think my main goal is to bring everybody home, and I wish I knew what to do. I don't, but I have to make a decision, and I need to make it pretty quick. So I think well, it's the risks are personal frostbite versus death. So screw it, we're staying in formation. I know it's cold down there, buddy. Make the best of it. Here goes. All right. That said, we stay in formation. We get our -1. How many attacks? 4 minus 1 is a 3. There'll be 1. Sequence dice. Red first. 43. We have an ME 190 at 12 high, a 109 at 130 level, and a 109 at 3 level. We're going to have unfortunately poor coverage, but we're going to roll those dice anyway. Single die, 2, nothing happens, unfortunate. Had we been below, we would have another fighter out here. So in that respect, we sort of made the right decision somewhat. Do I have to roll for frostbite now or not? I'm going to roll it at the end, I think, because we have to have traveled at some point. Unless it says roll it right at the beginning. Let's take a look. I don't think it says at the beginning or the end. We'll double check that real quick. Here's out. Once per zone. Doesn't say before or after. I should probably start a little book of house rules. In any case, we're going to roll it at the end. That's the house rule. So, port air coverage did nothing. Here they come. We're going to assign defensive fire and defensive fire on the 12 high. We got a lot of guns that can come on him, I believe. No, we don't. Well, we have the top turret, one of my favorite guns, and those. Here we go. The 130 high, starboard cheek, and starboard waist. Lay waist to his ass. The 3 level can have the ball turret gunner nice and cold down there. But warm your hands on those nice war machine guns that you're about to use. Now we have to roll for their pilots. And so starting with the summation dice, 10 average. That one, 9 average. That one, 6 average. Okay, so we got 6 average Joe Nazi pilots I'm about to kill. Sounds excellent. Nose gun on the 190 at 12 high. 12 high, the 6 to roll, 6 to hit. Nose gun, miss. Top turret, miss. Mark off some ammunition. Nose gun, top turret. Starboard cheek at the 130 level. 130 level, starboard cheek. Wait a minute, how come I have... Was he at level or high? This is why you write those numbers down. You didn't write the number down. Oh, bad job, ass. What number was it? It's 130 level. Oh, it was 43. So why you write these numbers down? Come on. Okay, so he's at 130 level, which means I've 130 level. I've misread this. I cannot put the starboard waist gun on him. Get back there. Cheerio. Shoot your own wing. All right, 6 to hit. He misses. Alright, number cheek misses. Top turret missed. Nose missed. Okay, now, I guess that means I could put it there though. Because 3 level allows for the ball turret and the starboard waist. Okay, 3 level. Starboard waist on a 6, miss. The ball turret on a 5 or 6, miss. What's it called down there? Ball turret. Starboard waist. Alright, we shot our wad. And with great non-effect. Okay. They now shoot back at me, which is completely unacceptable. 12 high, shoots at me. Sorry, on this table. It's 5 or 6 to hit. Hits. Okay, that's not what I wanted to see, guys. Come on now, Nazis. Okay, do summation dice. He rolls a 5. He hits with 2 hits. He's at 12 high. First hit is a summation dice. 7. Pilot compartment. I definitely didn't want to see that. Next one, 9. Waste. Okay. Let's talk about the pilot compartment. This is not the right one. Pilot compartment. Summation dice. 7. Superficial damage. Fantastic. The waist. So on this side. Yes. Summation dice. 8. Oh. Starboard gunner. Oh, I didn't want to see that. Alright. Starboard gunner. Wounds. 5. Damn. Seriously wounded. Alright. Starboard gunner is seriously wounded. Sorry, buddy. See what I mean? Even though it's a short mission, bad things can happen, so it's pretty hardcore. Alright, he hit, he'll be coming back. He's shooting at us at 130 level. And the 130 level is a 5 or 6 to hit. 4 missed. Thank God. He flies by. 3 level. 4, 5, or 6 to hit. 2. Oh, thank God. He flies by. Now, the optional rule is that the tail gunner can take a shot at him as he goes by, and it's a 6 to hit. I'm going to roll for that. He missed. Tail gunner did take it. Oh, yeah, took a shot at him. So he flies by, but he's going to come back because he hit. So where does he come back? That is the question. And summation dice give us the answer of 4. He comes back at 9 level. He flies around and comes back in. Here he comes in again. Let's kill that guy. We have poor air coverage, and according to the chart, that will not run off anything. Oh, this wouldn't matter anyway. Subsequent waves, not subsequent attacks. Okay. So, in any case, we are now going to fire all of our weapons that can come on to the 9 o'clock level. 9 o'clock level can have the top turret. Take him down. The ball turret. Take him down. The port waist. Take him down. Alright, so we'll just do it from the top. Top turret to hit at 9 level is a 5 or a 6. No. The port waist is a 6. No. The ball turret is a 5 or 6. Yes. Damage on the ball turret, from the ball turret, I mean, it's a 5. Destroyed. Okay, that's happy. So the ball turret explains it to him in lead. Very good. Take that, you Nazi bastard. Good job freezing to death down there. Ball turret gunner. 4th kill for you. Good job. Alright, port waist, top turret, ball turret, lots of ammunition coming off. Takes care of that wave. Now we have to roll for frostbite, and it is in the rule book. I buried the rule book. Here we go. Here's where my luck can run out in a pretty ugly way. Here we go. All right. 1, 2, 3. Frostbite. Oh, no frostbite. Yes. Thank you, God. For the next one, it makes sense that we can, in fact, descend. No problem. No attacks. Then we go to land. Oh, the camera's moved. Can't see that anymore. I'll rearrange that here in just a minute for the next one. I wondered what was different. Now I know. It doesn't matter though. Maybe this side's more interesting. Weather over target. Here we are. Weather over target. So, actually over base. Summation dice. 10. 10 is good weather. So we're landing at a 0 modifier. And here we go. Landing. Summation dice. 7. Everybody lands happy. It's safe. Mission is over. Fantastic. We got a 40% on that melt. Fantastic. Put that one in the books. we'll do another one here in a few minutes.